healthy recipes for children. As a parent, you know how important it is for your children to have a well-balanced diet. However, kids can be picky eaters, so you need to have some healthy recipes for children on hand to make the most of their meal times. For kids, the more fun the food is, the more likely they are to gobble it up. The most challenging foods for you to get your child to eat are vegetables. If this is the case with your child, then you have to find some way to develop some healthy recipes for kids who have an aversion to vegetables. What are some healthy dishes for children that include vegetables? There are many. If your child does not like to eat their carrots, then you can add honey to them. The glaze that develops over the carrots make them taste like candy, but in reality, the honey is also a good source of nutrients for them. You can also learn tips for recipes for babies and kids. Does your child have an aversion to corn? Well, that is no problem, as there is a healthy recipe for your kid dealing with corn as well. Prepare your corn to go on the grill. Before you wrap the cob in foil, add cheese to the corn. Once it is ready, the corn will be hot and steamy with melted cheese all over it. Your kids will adore it, and cheese is good for them too. Aside from getting your kids to eat vegetables right out, there are other nutritious recipes for children that include veggies that cannot even be seen. Make a nice pasta dinner and use a sauce that is high in vegetable nutrients. Most store-bought jars of pasta sauce are high in vegetable counts. Other great recipes for kids can be found in cookbooks that are dedicated just to children's health. Go to your local bookstore to find a variety of books that contain nutritious recipes for toddlers or growing children. This will give you a ton of great ideas to give your child what they want while getting them to eat what they need as well. Make it fun for them to eat healthy, but don't force the point that what they are eating is healthy for them. While you want them to know that they must eat things that are good for them, they will be less likely to comply if you pound into their brains that what they are eating is super healthy. Making healthy recipes for children can be your kitchen secret.